Hey, look who purchased the RhinoShield 3D Impact Screen Protector. Let's get it installed. Inside the box, you'll receive instructions, a microfiber cloth, squeegee, dust stickers, and the RhinoShield 3D Impact Screen Protector. To begin your installation, you'll want to prepare your device by thoroughly cleaning the screen. Currently, I'm rocking an old, outdated tempered glass screen protector that needs to come off. Now with that done and away, we can wipe off the screen with the included microfiber cloth. Give this thing a good scrubbing. I'd recommend doing this installation on a flat surface with good overhead lighting so that you can see if any dust particles are still on the screen. After you have wiped the screen, use the included dust removal sticker to remove any residual dust. With your screen dust free, it's time to grab your RhinoShield 3D Impact Screen Protector and remove the inner protective layer that's covering the adhesive side by pulling down on the A tab. It's important that you keep the adhesive side facing down so that stray dust doesn't fall onto it. With the adhesive exposed, bend the protector into a wide U shape by pinching the two long sides a little towards the center, and then align the 3D Impact Screen Protector to the screen using the microphone and the charging port as a guide. If you happen to notice that the alignment is slightly off, you can lift the protector and realign before releasing it all the way down. Once aligned to your liking, gently release the edges and slide your finger down the center of the screen. You'll then use the microfiber cloth to stick down the sides and push any air bubbles from the center outwards until the protector is adhered to the screen completely. If you need some more pushing power, don't hesitate to use the squeegee, but do wrap it in a microfiber cloth to prevent any accidental scratching. If you see any dust bubbles caused by dust particles, don't worry, we can fix it. Grab the provided dust stickers and then gently lift the closest corner to the dust bubble and remove the piece of dust using the sticky side of the sticker to grab on and pull it out, then reset the protector. Nice work! Your phone is now one step closer to being a fortress. Make sure to pair the RhinoShield 3D Impact Screen Protector with one of RhinoShield's many cases for ultimate protection. Here's my iPhone 11 that features the RhinoShield 3D Impact Screen Protector plus their NASA collaboration case. This is one of the many cool designs that they make. Go check it out on the website linked in the description below.